Oh, this big package came in the mail today. And this. Wonder what this is. Another box in here, you guys. Oh my God, it's heavy. There's the seat. Got seats over there. By the way, you guys, I found out that this is a table, kitchen table. We got chairs, all the chair stuff. I'm going right here. Got more chairs for ours. Feel some heat. The heat feel good somewhere. More chair stuff. So I guess I'm gonna be building the chairs and the table. So like maybe the table legs. I'm gonna put these over here. Gotta be like the table legs, I believe. Maybe?
Where's the chair legs? Or maybe. Maybe. Yeah, I don't know. You'll find out when you get everything out of the box.
Tell you what, it's a lot of pieces, y'all, to get to work.
How long do you think it'll take you to build it? How long do you think it'll take you to build it?
45 minutes to an hour or less. As long as you got the instructions, it shouldn't take too long. It's like I'm going in here guessing. Bag with some more pieces. Look at all these pieces, y'all. Comfy. This is how I really usually sleep, for real. In boxes, tents, sleeping bags. This is what the table looked like. Started. It's the last piece of the box that was in there. We'll open that up. Yep, it's a glass. Y'all see that? It's a glass. So, leave the glass right here for now. package. Go ahead and open that real quick, y'all. This says a gift for you. Toothbrushes, y'all. Come in twos. Now I can brush my chops. The whole house can brush their chops. My dog can brush his chops. We got enough of them. A lot of them. Thank you so much for whoever sent the toothbrushes. Let's get to the table. So it wants me to start with the table first. So I gotta find E, B, and A's, which not even labeled. So we go all the screws and then bolts, nuts, and all that stuff, guys. Says I need E's, and the E's are the longer bolts. I mean, the shorter bolts are the E's. Shorter bolts. I need these first. Alright. Just show it like that. Good. Put them real quick. Busting out.
Busting out.
Yes,
Oh, the pillows. It was pillows until you cut it.
Cut it open. Dang.
There's actually 2 pillows in there. That's crazy that they compact it like that. Another pillow.
Is it pillow? Another pillow, you guys. Came from Mia.
Thank you, Mia.
Thank you, Mia.
He said I got something today.
Can you read what it was?
Getting there. All right. It says, enjoy your gift from Mia.
So sorry. Yeah, there you go.
Thank you very much, Mia. Ooh, I love them. They look so
I figured it was yours because it's women's. It said on the package.
And it's pink. Yee! Oh, well, there's stuff in there.
What?
There's this in there. But thank you. Oh, yeah. Those are comfy. Comfy, comfy. How's it look? Yeah, those are comfy. Thank you very much, Mia. They're very, very nice, and they're gonna come to you.
I'm so thankful. I'm ready to check and see what it is. Let's get straight into it. First package. Second sheet to go with first sheet I sent Kayla can use as curtains. Hope it's okay to send gifts for her as well from Charlotte. Thank you so much, Charlotte. And yes, of course, it's okay to send Princess Kayla. That's what I call her, Princess Kayla. Princess Kayla some gifts. She loves gifts. She gets excited when she gets things. So you definitely can send her stuff. She's very grateful and thankful for things you guys get for her. So she loves that. She's a great kid. So you're more than welcome to. When she get here, I'll let her see this and let her know she can use it as a curtain. Thank you so much, Charlotte. Another box here. This is, hope you enjoy your gift. Love your channel. Big hug to bear. From John. Oh, thanks, John. Thank you so much, John. And I'm thankful for you to be on my channel, and I like that you like my channel, and I got a lot of more great videos in store for the channel. Got to get my blade. Oh, nice. It's like little vases. I can put some little plants in there, and stuff like that, you guys. Oh yeah, this is nice. Wow. I need to get me like a little coffee table or something so I can, or like a little stand to put in the living room and put this on the stand and stuff with some flowers coming out or something. Look at these, you guys. That's nice. That's beautiful. Thank you so much, John. I really appreciate that. It's something different. I never had any of these before. I really never had nothing in life, for real. To tell you the truth. Y'all been blessing me, and I'm really thankful and grateful for it. Like, some of this stuff I never even knew what to do. Like, I mean, some of the stuff I've never even had before, and I'm learning to use it. You know what I mean? Like, I'm grateful. I'm definitely gonna get like some flowers or something. I want to put some flowers in them vases. You know, put some flowers in them, sit them on like the stand or something, with some pictures around it or something. Another package right here, you guys. And also, you guys are more than welcome to buy stuff off the wish list, or you can buy your own stuff on the wish list and just get it sent out. It works out like that. You don't necessarily have to buy the thing that's on the wish list. You put your own stuff on there and send it out. You know what I mean? You can do that as well. Whatever you think we need or should have, or just personal things you just want to give us. Just show your support and your love for the channel and me and the family and things like that. And we also have a Cash App as well. If you just want to send some money and show your support that way, you can do that as well. Or you can just comment some beautiful words in the comments. We love you either way. Alright, what we got here? Trying to find my letter. You know I like my letters. No letter? Here we go. This is to cover your food in the microwave. Enjoy your gift from Mia. Thank you so much, Mia. Cover your food in the microwave. Oh, it's like a little plate thing. I've never had one of these before either. It's pretty cool. That's nice, Mia. That's so when you warming your food up, just the splatters and stuff like that, it won't go all over the microwave and get dirty, you know. That's great. That's a great idea. I appreciate that, Mia. That's what we need now. It's a microwave, so we can use this. So hopefully we'll be getting a microwave soon and we'll be able to use that and test it out. We have a box right here. I need my cutter. I do my cutter. Enjoy your gift from Mia again. Thank you, Mia, so much. You're just such a blessing, man. All of y'all is a blessing, but I really appreciate all you guys. But Mia, you've been showing out, Mia. Immune support. Dietary supplement. Immune support. 30 capsules. $30 capsules at 1,000 milligrams, I think. Immune support. That should definitely come in handy, right? And it's toothpaste, Colgate toothpaste. Come in 3s? No, this is a 4-pack. It come in 4s. It's come in 4s, you guys. She gave us 4 toothpastes, Colgate. Colgate. 10 times long lasting cool. Max Fresh with whitening. Thank you so much, Mia. That's definitely gonna come in handy and it's definitely gonna last long. 4-pack. Thank you so much, Mia. It doesn't really say a name on there, but it does say, enjoy your gift. Enjoy your gift, a gift for you. I wish it had a name on there. Comment down below if you sent this, so I can comment on your comment, so I can thank you in the right way. This is a Swiffer duster. Wow. Got a duster, y'all. We have a duster. One of those duster things right here. They got 3 of them, 3 duster things that came with it as well. Oh yeah. That's gonna come in handy, especially for like the ceiling fans and stuff like that. Oh yeah. Yep. I'm so grateful for that. I wish it had a name on there though, so I can greet you and thank you the right way. But that's all the gifts we have for today. Vibe Tribe. Peace.